Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Trading Room. Today is Friday, 30th, 2019. So let's see what the market doing so far since yesterday. As you see that, let me look at the SP 500 to see what they're doing right now. You look at the chart, you see that on the daily chart on the mini SP 500. You see the market, it have been bouncing back and forward within this trend. Okay, so they come down, they pull back up, they go up, they hit back up, they go down, they go back up. So right now, this one is a very important level for the market. Okay, so if the market is able to hold and break out this level, and if the broad-based market to support the market, it can go higher. Okay, so we will see today or the first thing next week to see they be able to hold up at this level to go higher. If they don't do that, and then we still see that the market will bouncing back and forward and go to this level and test the down the bottom here again. So the market is in the decision mode on the indices. Okay, so we have to see that the market is able to punch you and then stay on top and then continue to go higher. Okay, so the major support down over here. So this one here, if the market they come down with way A, they cannot hold up here and go the other way. So we have B, and then they can go C even further south. But if they be able to break this level, and then the market will continue to go higher. So that's the bigger time frame for the ES. In the meantime, if you look at on the day trading ES, you can see that the market is bottom out here. Okay, they go back up. They finish with one, two, three, four, five. So they finish it with the first way, and they do A, B, C. Look like it way two, and then they do one, two. Right now, we have to see that they touch the parallel channel here, and then they broke about a sell zone. So the question here is, are they be able to hold up at this level? Okay, so we are at the critical point here. So either market they will hold up here and break it out and go higher, or they will give up. Okay, or they can do way in the short term. They can start from here. Okay, go up here, they hold out here, and now they go to back here to this one is too much. So this one here, if they can hold right here, okay, so that will be number three, and then they go back to way number four first, okay, and then get the momentum, will continue to go higher. So we have to be careful, especially today. The market has been run up since 28. The last 2 days, they were able to up here. So right now it's a little bit extended. So you have to be careful on the long side. Either you wait for them to pull back before you can get in. If they give you the confirmation, okay, to continue to go higher. Otherwise, the market is still have a potential to go down further. So let's see in the real time the market how they develop so that we can follow the trade. But at this moment, we are at the critical level here. So we want to see that are they able to have momentum to push it up or not. Okay. So this sell zone have been holding up for the last many days, the whole month here. So right now they are right at that sell zone again. So we have to be very cautious, okay, on the upside. All right. So that for the year, and for the Dow it look like stronger. Dow it try to break out this area here, but let's see if they be able to hold it up or not. Okay, and we will see today or on Monday. So far right now, if the momentum, the previous sales on the Dow in this level up here, okay. So right now they'll be able to break out, and as long as they stay up there, okay. So the way number three will continue. But if they give you the confirmation that way number three will be over, and then we have to uh, pay attention for that because at the moment they won't go higher. They back a trend line and then they go the other way around, and then we know that this way number three will be ending, and then we're looking for a better retrace before we can get back and go higher. Okay, so that for the Dow. Okay, and for the NQ, NQ it still get stuck into this zone right now. So same thing. Okay, on the short term, you can see that the NQ it uh, try to build a momentum is similar to the other one, but they have a sell zone right here. So the big sell zone is still hanging here. Okay, so in order for them to go higher, they have to break this area over here. Okay, and finish with number three before they will correct, or they give up here and come down. We will see when the market open. Let's see how they react. Okay, so that a NQ for the Russell. The Russell is still bouncing back and forward in this channel here. But again, in the short term, you can see that the market, if they start from here on the short term, we can see that they try to start from here, they go up, they make a high low, and now they make a high, high, low, high, high. But now, this is the white dot line here, this is trend line here, we hold them up right at this level. So if they do continue to get back to test the sell zone, we have to wait for them to pull back, okay, because this one it maybe ran out of gas. Okay, if they run out of gas, and then they will get here to test. If they're able to hold it, they will finish with number three and with number four and with number five. They get into the sales zone. Okay, so we have to see how they react to the white dot line here. Okay, so that for the RTY, and right now look at the oil. The oil is interesting. The oil is trying to take over the Dow trend line, but they still below the top of this way. So right now, we want to see that they be able to work out to go higher. Otherwise, they will get back to this area over here before they can go higher. Okay, so a lot of things that the market right now it depends on the condition of market. Things can change, you know. But at this moment, the 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 trend is still downtrend on the oil. So we will see they will stuck here and then come right back here. So that's the oil right now. For the gold is kind of right now we try to figure out that the gold they hit to the sell zone, but they still have a little room here. If they really try to push it hard, they can push it back up to this level before they give up. Because in the meantime, we see that they go here, they pull back, they can do ABC. That way, number four, if they be able to hold this level and go higher, then they go back and test one more time to hit to the target zone. Okay, the final target zone here. So right here. Okay, if they really want to push it up there, and that will be a final move for the for the goal. Okay, but if they wreck below here and continue to go low here, it means that more the downside on the go. Okay, so you watch out for the short-term oscillators. See they be able to turn around and then go back up, or they will give up and go down and test the low here. Okay, so that's the level of the goal. And for the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is going nowhere. Okay, so it seems like the Bitcoin is still stuck into this area. Let's see the area that support, and then it will turn around. In the meantime, if you look at the 60-minute chart, look like see the way it look like uh, the, the Bitcoin will go. So they on the last move over here on the way C, seem like they finished it with number one, okay, and then two and three, and now they will fall. If they continue to drop, that is the level of support. Okay, before they can bounce back up. This is the area support here. So we can see how far this one here can go before they bow. Okay, so that's the short term for the Bitcoin. Because long as they do low, high, low, low, okay, the market is still downside until they be able to break and make it high, high, low before they can turn around. Okay, so the last thing is for the euro. The euro is on the final move. As you can see, the euro it have been down. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, euro it get into the target zone right now. Let's see how far, how deep they can go before they can turn around. And we're looking for the confirmation, high, high, low, and then break out. That will be the ending of the downtrend for the euro. Okay, so basically that the bond is trying to go up, so the bond is trying to move the final move right now. And other than that, I think that before the market open, let's see anything uh, happen right now. A lot of them with market is open in a few minutes, but the wick is still down. So let's see if they okay if they continue to go lower, it's good for the market. But if they turn around, then the market it can go lower when the market open. Okay, so that for summary, what is the direction of the market today on Friday, and next week it's a holiday week, so we don't have a trading room on Monday, and hope everybody enjoy and have a good holiday. Okay.